Hello friends, welcome to Apulmek Live. I'm Kanchan Verma and today we are remembering our legend of Indian cinema, Mr. Dilip Kumar. There's one thing which I want to tell to my audience is that there's always a greatness, a kindness and a humility in all his portrayal of the characters in the film. And that makes him unparalleled and unmatched till date. So we'll be talking about his contribution, his films, his style of acting with our guest today. So stick around to this episode till the end. Let us remember our own legend, Mr. Dilip Kumar. Welcome back, and today we have Ritu Gupta, who is the CEO of Four Seasons PR company. So, welcome to the show, Ritu. How are you doing today?
Oh, Kanchan, thank you and good morning to you. I'm feeling absolutely fine, thrilled. Thank you.
Well, last week we lost our very great human beings and a great actor of Bollywood, Mr. Dilip Kumar. So we will be remembering him and how he has changed the face of Bollywood during that period of time where he was a superstar. So do you have any remembrance of his films and his profile?
Kanchan, first of all, I think Dilip Kumar, as per me, was one of the greatest actor we could ever have because even the Amitabh Bachchan and Shah Rukh Khan, the top Bollywood superstars, somewhere or the other have always tried to follow him and have something from his acting. I mean, do something. They've taken some lessons from his acting also because which they have made it very vocal also at times. And I feel Dilip Kumar was one of the actors, method actor, which Bollywood till date has ever had. In fact, he was called Tragedy King, and there was a reason behind it because the way we people at present, when we watch certain TV serials, the tears they come out of our eyes, the tears they flow out of our eyes. He was the first male Bollywood actor who made his audience, regardless of men or women, they would just feel what he wanted to say. And he had that buttercup expression on his face where he would say nothing, but his eyes, his whole facial expressions would make people cry. So I feel that he was one of the greatest actors.
It is a highest loss, and as you mentioned that this is actor who portrayed the right kind of pain and right kind of hurt on the screen, which was not there earlier. And he has portrayed a very emotional, and whenever we see a film, it always depicted as an emotional struggle of an actor, and the kind of relationship and the binding of relationship through emotion. I think it's been shown by Dilip Kumar and on the highest rating performance in the films. Who can forget
Yes,
Devdas or Mughal Azam? So what do you think about
yes.
any film which you like and you remember his performance in any of the films?
Yes, so let me just say Mughal Azam, I found it really very good. First of all, I think that was the first character in his lifetime where he played a Muslim character of Salim. He looked superbly handsome. His dialogue delivery was too good, and especially the scenes where he and Prithvi Raj Kapoor, both the actors, they were both the superb actors. They had their dialogue deliveries, and both they had their scenes where the father and the son, they have their argument, they are fighting, and it was just superb. So as per me, Mughal Azam, where he played the character of Salim, was very good. And in the present times, in the later years, where he played the character of Viru in the film Kranti, that was also very good. I really liked it. I mean, obviously, he aged when he played Viru in Kranti. That was, I think, sometimes in mid 90s or early 90s when the movie came. But yes, Rajkumar and Dilip Kumar, they were both too good, and Dilip Kumar was obviously super, no doubt about it.
Well, as for me is concerned, many films which I really appreciate. There are Naya Daur, and one film which I am not able to even forget, that is Sakina, and it is a portrayal of a leader where there's uprising in India,
Yes.
and he portrayed that, and that film has a lot of impact on me. The kind of portrayal, the kind of struggle in the film, which is awesome. And later on, if we see a film which he has done with Rajkumar, Manisha Koraila, so that is also very, very good.
Yeah. Yes, yes, I agree. Saudagar, you are talking about with Manisha Koirala and Rajkumar. Again, a very superb movie, and where he was not the main character, but then he overshadowed the main characters. Obviously, the main characters, the girl and the boy, Manisha Koirala and the other actor, they were new. But Dilip Kumar, with his experience, with his method acting, the way he enacted the whole role was very good. So we all have our share of Dilip Kumar's movie. I mean, I think I watched most of his movies on television. I don't think so. I've seen on screen, but on television, other than Saudagar and Kranti. But then I feel Dilip Kumar was one of the best actors. Not
Well,
Kranti, Karma.
one thing which I am very sure about, because the portrayal and the tragedy which is shown by Dilip Kumar for man portrayal, it is awesome
Yes.
because it is so real, and it shows that men also have emotion, and there's no harm depicting or showing them. So that is the credibility of Dilip Kumar when we talk about his emotion, his tragedy. That's why pain and hurt, the way he has portrayed on the roles and the characters in the film, it is monumental. Nobody can match that, right, Ritu?
I'm yeah, and I also want to add this because since you said that he was being a male actor, he portrayed the emotions on screen, which was very rare. You know, way back in 50s and 60s, men were supposedly the chauvinistic character. They were, strong characters, bold characters. They were meant to fight, protect the women. Whereas he showed that men also have feelings. They can also cry, that was absolutely real. That was absolutely real. Somewhere, men and women, both the sexes could connect with him because men do also feel, and which was, way back when Bollywood was more men centric. He portrayed the real thing, which was there in society, that men also feel, men also have emotions. So that
Well,
was very great. Yeah.
at that point of time we didn't have any technical support as such. Now we have all animation and all
Oh
technical
yes.
support, so that is also very, very important when we talk about Dilip Kumar. And whole film, people used to go to see the film only by the name of Dilip Kumar. So that is something awesome, and I think we will not be having a par excellence actor now.
I think so. We'll not. Yes. And also one thing, if you have ever watched Dilip Kumar dancing, which was not very good, but then we all loved that, happy-go-lucky guy dancing on the screen, which was not perfect dancing, not at all perfect like the present actors, Hrithik Roshan and other actors they do. But then I think he never cared, but he always wanted to depict the real characters because in reality, in actuality, when you see, most of us are not perfect dancers, but when we dance, we just forget everything. We go happy go lucky people like. So, yes,
I think he has the ability to connect to each and every person from village
yes,
to A class cities. He has that ability, and I think after Amitabh Bachchan, I mean
absolutely.
Amitabh Bachchan has that quality, but
Yeah,
somehow other actor. But according this is personally, I feel other actor don't
yeah.
have. They are not able to connect at the same time with the rural audience and the A class city audience. So that is one thing which is very, very unique when we talk about Dilip Kumar. So you want like to add some thoughts about
Yes.
him?
Yes, because I feel what you said, I really want to. I agree with what you said right now. It was because Dilip Kumar never got stereotyped. He never got stereotyped in one kind of an image. He was very comfortable playing a very simple village boy, a village man, a village youngster, and at the same time, he was very comfortable in playing. The way he had tragedy king character in Devdas, and I mean he became he was labeled tragedy king, and then where he played the character of Salim in Mughal Azam, it was a historical movie. Then the present times in Karma and Saudagar. So I think he was very comfortable in doing any kind of role, because that was because his new senses of acting was very clear. They were very clear, which I think Amitabh Bachchan, as you said, I do agree. Amitabh Bachchan can also play any character, whether it's angry young man or being a humorous character, being in a humorous character. So that was with Dilip Kumar also, which is very rare to find in other actors right now.
Well, most of the films of Dilip Kumar are now in, we can say these are all classic films. Most of the films are very,
Yes.
very good, and people refer these films. Even the youngster and the legends like Amitabh Bachchan and Shah Rukh Khan refer to Dilip Kumar's acting and the way he has taken the character and portrayal of the character in the film. So definitely this is a monumental loss for all of us. We will miss him. So we will be meeting again in the next episode, Ritu. Till then,
Thank you so much.
bye bye.
Goodbye. Stay safe.
Thank you.
Thank you all.